everyone, welcome to the video. Let's begin with our book, Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 7 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with a new chapter today, that is chapter number 25, History of the World. Here some fill in the blanks are given and we have to fill the blanks by writing the answers by taking the help from the help desk. So let's begin with the exercise now. Before filling the exercise, let's read what it says. It says that the history of the world includes the actions of the human race in the past. Let's dive deeper to know more about the history of the world. So let's now fill the blanks. Let's begin with the first fill in the blank. The first fill in the blank is economists were known as dash at the time of the French Revolution, and the answer is physiocrats. So the economists at the time were known as physiocrats. The next is the Tea Party took place in 1773 at which place, and the name of the place is Boston. Then the third is the idea of liberty, equality and fraternity. They were emphasized by whom? By Rousseau. The next is the author of the American Declaration of Independence was Thomas Jefferson. Next, the European Renaissance of the 15th century is noted for the great advances in the art and architecture. Sixth is the Renaissance first began in which place? In Italy. Then seventh, Dash is regarded as the founder of scientific socialism, and the answer for this question is Karl Marx. Then the next we have the last one. The first city destroyed by an atom bomb in the Second World War was Hiroshima. So this is all with the fill in the blanks. Let's now move on to the quick fact. The quick fact says that the 7 Years' War against the British, it ended in 1781, and America's independence was approved by Britain in the year 1783. Then we have your answer, please. So children, you have to answer the following questions. The first question for you is that what was the main philosophy behind Renaissance? And second question, how did Boston Tea Party affect the history? आखिर Boston Tea Party का जिक्र क्यों किया गया है history में? Look out for the answers and write the answers here below in the book itself. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.